delicious white chocolate and walnut cookies. Just right out of the oven. This is what it looks like. They are absolutely delicious. I will be bringing you guys this recipe soon. I just made them because my husband wanted cookies. Here is the recipe. They are delicious. So what do you guys think? Recipe, my cookies. Recipe, you guys can tell that my cookies have more chocolate chips. So yeah guys, this is delicious. And you want them to look like this, nice and golden brown. They are soft cookies. Guys, with a nice glass of milk. The recipe actually calls for white chocolate and walnut cookie. You could use chocolate chips, but these ones I put white chocolate, walnuts, and pecans. So, and it's very simple recipe. There is the recipe. You want to pause the video. I'll put it like this so you guys can see it. And there are the instructions. But I will be bringing you guys this recipe, and this is from my box of recipes, which is this one, and this box is thrifted. I thrifted it from the Goodwill. All right guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye guys.